To clear your nose by forcing air through it into a piece of paper or cloth.
Blow. Blow. He blew his nose loudly.
Something that someone says officially, giving information about something.
Announcement. Announcement. The president made an unexpected announcement this morning.
Relating to events or people in the past, or to the study of history.
Historical. Historical.
She specializes in historical novels set in 18th century England.
Describes activities which involve personal matters or relationships and are not connected with your work.
Private. Private. Apparently in interviews he refuses to talk about his private life.
Water, especially from a river or stream, dropping from a higher to a lower point, sometimes from a great height.
Waterfall. Waterfall.
We walked for an hour and arrived at the waterfall.
A member of your family.
Relative. Relative. I haven't got many blood relatives.
To make the sound of a letter or word.
Pronounce. Pronounce.
How do you pronounce your surname?
A list of foods and a set of instructions telling you how to cook something.
Recipe. Recipe. Do you know a good recipe for wholemeal bread?
The place at an airport where you show your ticket so that you can be told where you will be sitting.
Check-in, counter. Check-in, counter. I'll meet you by the check-in counter.
If a telephone or public toilet is engaged, someone is already using it.
Engaged. Engaged.
The sign on the toilet door said, "Engaged."
Only for one person or group and not for everyone.
Private. Private. I caught him looking through my private papers.
Having formally agreed to marry.
Engaged. Engaged.
Debbie and Chris have just got engaged.
Funny.
Comic. Comic.
A comic actor or performance.
If the wind blows, it moves, and makes currents of air.
Blow. Blow. The wind was blowing harder every minute.
Involving two people who are meeting in the same place.
Face to face. Face to face. A face-to-face meeting.
To force air out through your mouth.
Blow. Blow. She blew on her coffee before taking a sip.
A collection of things kept in a container for a particular use.
Kit. Kit.
A first aid or toolkit.
An organized journey, especially a long one for a particular purpose.
Expedition. Expedition.
Shackleton led several expeditions in the Antarctic.
Something strange or unknown which has not yet been explained or understood.
Mystery. Mystery.
An unsolved mystery.